One of the easiest ways to ruin an epoxy project is pouring over a dirty surface. I recommend that you always start with a vacuum. You can get a little dust buster vacuum, you can use your dust collector, your shop vac, whatever you have. I would recommend getting something with an attachment that has some bristles or brushes on the end, because it helps sweep as it sucks it up all at the same time. Once the dust is gone, I'll use compressed air to blow out the places that the vacuum couldn't reach. And here's a simple tip that's always easy to overlook. If you spent the last hour sanding, there's dust floating around in the air, and that will eventually come to a rest, almost always on your project. Before I do my final inspection, I'll give it a little while, half hour maybe. Go eat some lunch, some dinner, go watch a sitcom or something. Go watch an episode of Friends or Big Bang Theory, or if you're my wife, you'll watch like the crime documentaries that show you where to hide a body and stuff. Give the dust in the room time to settle. Walk out of the room for a little while. I mean, you can continue working on other things if you want, but as you're moving around and moving other things around, you're creating more dust in the room. Leave the shop for a half hour or so, 15, 20 minutes, whatever, but give time for that dust to settle and then start your vacuum process. I will use, isopropyl alcohol sometimes to just wipe it off, and that's okay. Whatever you use, the important thing is to make sure that it's completely evaporated before you do your pour.